How to get a GrabPay card. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a GrabPay card. First, open your Grab application on your mobile device. Then tap on Finance at the bottom center of your screen. Next, tap on Let's Go to start setting up your GrabPay card. Enter your name as required to proceed. Then, go back to the main Finance page and tap Add a card to initiate the GrabPay card setup. Return to the Finance section and explore other financial services available with GrabPay later. Next, go to the Finance settings to review your information and confirm the details of your GrabPay virtual card. Finally, check your GrabPay wallet to see your new GrabPay card. Now, your GrabPay card is ready for use. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.